how to move rows and columns in Excel. Now, before we are going to continue with this one, what I want you to do is locate the left shift button on your keyboard. Now, that is going to be very important. Now, I'm going to go ahead and highlight, say, for example, this particular column right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold the left shift button. And then I'm going to go ahead and hover over until I see something like this here. This is kind of like a cross icon with arrows all over it. Now, what I'm going to do is just basically drag this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and drag wherever I want to paste this one or put this one. For example, here on the end cell, I'm going to go ahead and let go. And then as soon as I let go of it, you can see that now I'm able to do it or leave it here on the M cell or M column. And yeah, it's going to be the same thing if you are going to, say, for example, use it for the rows. What you are going to do is head over here, highlight, hold the left shift key button on your keyboard, and then what you're going to do is just look for this kind of like cross, and then you're just going to go ahead and drag it wherever you need. For example, right here. And yep, that is basically how it's done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.